How you doing? It's Tyrell Ferguson, Drummer Wanted here. Got a problem for you, all right? So inside my store, I sell both royalty-free music and I sell actual releases, so full songs, right? But how do I not confuse my customers by having releases inside my royalty-free store, right? Easy, make two stores, right? But what if I don't want to, what if I have several products and I don't want to, have to type all that information in, upload a video? How can I solve this problem, right? And all that's coming up in just a minute. So, the problem is I want to move my release to another store within my site so that I don't confuse my customers, so that they don't buy my release thinking it's royalty free, and then when they upload it to their YouTube or upload a video to their YouTube using the music, they get hit with copyright claims, all right? So I'm gonna help them out, I'm gonna help myself out, right? By moving it. Right now I'm using Squarespace, right? So this is my website, right? And before I had a drums you can use section. Inside drums you can use section, I just have straight drums that you can use for your own projects, right? And also inside here, I've uploaded a full release. So this full release, has copyright claims and stuff like that. It's being tracked by YouTube, and it will stop you from monetizing your video if you purchase this song thinking that it's royalty free. So I'm going to separate this, and I'm going to show you guys how to separate this as well into a new store. So what I did, again, this is Squarespace. I created a new shop. So right now I have two shops right here. Drums you can use, and I've made releases. Releases is empty right now. So what you're just going to do is go to the store with the product you want, click on it. If you want, hit shift, click on several. If you have several of them, that way you don't have to retype them all up. So I'm just going to hit the one, right? And down at the bottom of the page, it has this move button. Move right here at the bottom left side. So I'm going to click move, and I'm going to move it to releases. This option will not be there if you don't have another store. So you'll want to create two stores within your same page, and then move item. Boom, gone. All right. So I go back to my pages. Drums you can use. Go back to my full page. Refresh. Gone. All right. Let's check my releases. Boom. All right. And that's how you remove a product from one of your shops within Squarespace and move it to another shop within your store. All right. So this Tyrell Drummer Wanted. If you want to build a site for yourself and grow your music business, just contact me and I'll help you with sites and all that stuff. If you need help with drums and music, production and all that stuff, I can help with that as well. So just hit me up, Tyrell Drummer Wanted. I'm out.